Hi friends, welcome to Ramy's kitchen. Today in our kitchen we will see how to make Kerala style Kadala Curry. It is a very popular dish to serve with Puttu, Appam and Dosa. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, press the subscribe button below and press the bell icon to get the notification. For this recipe, I have taken 150 grams of black channa. Take the black channa in a bowl, add 2 cups of water and soak it for at least 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Now the channa is soaked well. We need to pressure cook it with a teaspoon of salt for up to 4 whistles. So let's see what are the ingredients that we need for making the paste. Grated coconut 1/3 cup, 3 dry red chilies, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, few curry leaves, a small portion of onion. Heat a pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil. Add the coriander seeds and the dry red chilies. You can also add a teaspoon of peppercorns at this stage. Add the roughly chopped onion and the curry leaves. Mix it well. Roast it for 2 minutes on medium flame and then add the grated coconut. Keep stirring until it becomes light brown color and then turn off the flame. Allow it to cool completely. Transfer the contents into a mixer jar. Add cumin seeds and salt to it and pour half cup of water. Grind it into a smooth paste. Now the paste is ready. The ingredients for making the gravy are 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon Garam Masala, ginger finely chopped, 1 big onion chopped, few curry leaves, 2 tomatoes chopped. Pressure cooked black channa. Do not discard the water in which the channa was cooked. You can use it in the gravy. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 dry red chili, cooking oil, salt to taste and Asafoetida. Heat a kadai and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the mustard seeds and once it splutters, add the curry leaves and the dry red chili. Now add the chopped onion and mix it well. Cook it for about 3 minutes. Add a pinch of salt. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder and coriander seed powder and mix it well. Now add the Asafoetida, mix well and cook it on medium flame until the raw smell goes. Now add the chopped tomatoes. Mix well. Cover it with the lid and cook it on medium flame for 2 minutes. Now open the lid and cook the tomatoes for 1 more minute. Now add the channa Mix well. Cover it and cook it on medium flame until the channa starts boiling well. Now it is time to add the coconut masala paste. Keep the flame on medium. Cover it and cook it for about 5 minutes. Add the stock water of the channa and the required salt for the gravy. Cover using a lid and cook the gravy for 8 to 10 minutes on medium-high flame. Now the gravy is ready. Add the garam masala at this stage. Garnish with a teaspoon of coconut oil and then turn off the flame. Now the gravy is ready. We can transfer this to a serving bowl. Friends, do try out this recipe and I am sure you will like it. Thanks for watching.